Welcome to Choice Champions. The best purple pool stick is probably one of the most visually striking and performance-enhancing additions you can make to your billiard arsenal, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and functional precision that can elevate your game to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned player looking for an edge or a beginner aiming to impress, this vibrant cue promises not just a game, but an experience, making every shot a statement of style and skill on the felt. Number 5. IgnatGames Professional Pool Cue Set. Introducing the IgnatGames Professional Pool Cue Set, designed for the discerning player. Experience unparalleled accuracy and control with every shot. Crafted from A-grade Canadian maple, this cue features a low-deflection shaft and a premium leather tip. Its precise construction ensures consistent performance and minimizes miscues. This set comes with everything you need to stay game-ready. It includes a durable hard case, a versatile tip maintenance tool, chalk, and a protective glove. Whether you're an intermediate player looking to improve or an advanced player seeking an edge, this cue is designed to enhance your skills. It's also perfect for recreational players wanting a professional feel. Take your game to the next level, whether at home, in a competitive hall, or during tournaments. This cue is compatible with all standard pool tables, offering versatility for any playing environment. Surprise the billiards lover in your life with a gift that combines quality, precision, and professional performance. It's an ideal present for anyone who values top-tier equipment. What we like. This cue is engineered for precision with its low deflection shaft, ensuring your shots are more accurate. If you are an intermediate to advanced player looking to elevate your game and reduce those frustrating miscues, this is the stick for you. Its included accessory kit means you're ready to play right out of the box. What people say. The purple color is vibrant and eye-catching, making it easy to spot on the table. The stick has a good weight and balance, providing a comfortable and stable stroke. It's made of durable maple wood, ensuring it will last for many games to come. Number 4. CUEBAR 58-inch 2-piece maple billiard cue. Elevate your game with this professional-grade billiard cue. It's designed for both new and seasoned players, offering exceptional value in one complete kit. Enjoy traditional billiard games with this expertly crafted cue. Its 2-piece construction and 13mm leather tip ensure a superior playing experience for 8-ball and 9-ball. Admire the exquisite 9-layer hand-painted finish, protected by a high-gloss, scrape-resistant UV coating. It's built to last and designed to impress. Experience comfortable play with its imitation linen grip. Perfectly balanced at 18 ounces, it provides reliability whether you're at home or in a pub. Available in 8 colors and 4 weights, 18 to 21 ounces, you can find the ideal match for your style and preference. It's perfect for any home bar or game room. We're here to help. Our customer support team is available 24/7 to ensure your complete satisfaction with your purchase. What we like. Experience a comfortable and secure grip with its imitation linen wrap, designed for extended play sessions. If you value both a comfortable feel and a stylish appearance for your home bar or game room, this cue offers a great combination. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and attractive stick for casual games. What people say. The cue is well balanced and has a nice feel in hand, making it comfortable to hold during play. The shaft is straight and the tip holds chalk well, contributing to consistent shots. The design is attractive, and the purple color is vibrant and stands out on the table. Number 3. CUEBAR 58-inch 2-piece billiard pool cue. Elevate your game with this expertly crafted pool cue. Designed for precision and comfort, it's the perfect companion for any billiard enthusiast. Experience the difference of a high-quality maple shaft and a durable 13mm leather tip. Its 2-piece design ensures easy transport and storage, while the classic hand-painted finish resists warping for enduring elegance. Master your shots with the ergonomic 3D grip. This design offers exceptional comfort, scratch resistance, and shock absorption, reducing vibrations for a smoother play. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this cue offers excellent balance for both practice and play. It's ideal for various settings, from home games to professional billiard rooms. Your purchase includes one premium pool cue and cue chalk, so you're ready to play right away. We also offer dedicated support to help you find the perfect match. Available in a range of classic colors and weights, you can select the cue that best suits your personal style and playing preference. What we like. Enjoy a superior grip with its unique 3D imitation leather wrap, providing excellent shock absorption and comfort. If you're a beginner or an adult player looking for a cue that feels great in your hand and is easy to maintain, this is an excellent choice. Its durable and stylish design makes it a fantastic option for practice and casual play. What people say. The cue is well balanced and has a comfortable grip, making it easy to control shots. The purple finish is vibrant and attractive, and the wood grain is visible through the paint. It comes with a durable case that protects the cue during transport and storage. Number 2. CUEBAR 6-Piece Pro Maple Pool Cue Set. Equip your entire squad with this complete set of 6 58-inch 2-piece billiard sticks. It's perfect for practice, league nights, or just casual fun, eliminating mismatched house cues forever. Find the perfect feel for every player with 6 cues spanning the complete weight range from 18 to 21 ounces. Whether for casual games or serious practice, there's a weight to match every preference. Easily identify your cue with 6 hand-painted sticks in vibrant, UV-armored finishes. The scratch-resistant gloss keeps them looking fresh and distinctive, even with heavy use. These sticks are built to last with commercial-grade durability. The screw-lock stainless steel joints and sweat-wicking imitation linen grips ensure reliable performance and comfortable control. Outfit your game room or surprise a league player with this ultimate value set. It's the stress-free choice for business owners and gift givers, backed by dedicated support. What we like. This set is designed for high-traffic environments, offering commercial-grade durability that can withstand constant use. If you manage a bar, a pool hall, or a large game room and need a consistent set of cues for multiple players, this is the ultimate solution. Eliminate the hassle of mismatched cues and ensure everyone has a quality stick. What people say. The cue is perfectly straight and has a great feel to it. The tip is firm and holds chalk well, providing good control. The weight is balanced nicely, making it comfortable to hold and swing. Number 1. 4-Piece Billiard Pool Cue Set. Get ready for game night with this complete set of 4 billiard cues. Available in 4 distinct colors, they come with graduated weights and chalk for immediate play. Crafted for performance, each 58-inch cue features a durable maple wood shaft and a high-quality 13mm leather tip. The 2-piece design makes them easy to transport for any game. Enjoy a comfortable and secure hold with the imitation leather wrap. It provides a scratch-resistant grip, reduces vibration, and protects the cue but from impacts. These cues boast hand-painted colors with a multi-layer sealed finish, ensuring they resist warping and maintain their beauty. Their stylish appearance makes them a standout choice. Perfect for players of all skill levels, these cues offer excellent balance for both casual play and practice. They are suitable for various settings, from home games to billiard rooms. What we like. Get ready for multiplayer action with this convenient 4-pack, featuring graduated weights for different player preferences. If you're setting up a home bar, a game room for friends, or a small venue that hosts regular games, this set provides excellent value and readiness. It's perfect for ensuring everyone can join in with a quality, well-balanced cue. What people say. The shaft is made of Canadian maple, which is known for its strength and durability. The butt of the cue features a wrapless design, offering a smooth and comfortable grip. It comes with a 13mm phenolic tip, providing excellent ball control and spin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.